Unlocking the secrets of structural analysis in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an intriguing topic that can really enhance your English learning journey: structural analysis. Understanding this concept can unlock new levels of comprehension and mastery over the English language. So, let's explore what structural analysis is and how it can benefit you in your learning process. Structural analysis, in the context of language learning, refers to the process of breaking down words into their basic components to understand their meanings and functions. This method can be incredibly helpful in understanding new vocabulary, deciphering complex sentences, and appreciating the nuances of the English language. Key components. Roots, the base part of a word, which carries the core meaning. Prefixes, additions to the beginning of a word that modify its meaning. Suffixes, additions to the end of a word that alter its grammatical function or meaning. By analyzing these components, learners can deduce the meaning of unfamiliar words and how they're used in different contexts. Structural analysis not only helps with vocabulary expansion but also enhances reading comprehension and writing skills. It enables learners to infer the meaning of new words without always having to consult a dictionary. Understand the nuances of word formation, which is especially useful for learners at intermediate and advanced levels. Improve spelling by recognizing patterns in word construction. Build a larger vocabulary more efficiently by understanding the building blocks of words. This approach encourages active learning and a deeper understanding of language, rather than mere rote memorization. Let's put theory into practice with some examples. Unbelievable. Prefix, equals not. Believe, root, equals to accept as true. Able, suffix, equals capable of. Unbelievable equals not capable of being accepted as true. Transformation. Prefix, equals across, beyond. Form. Root, equals shape. Ation, suffix, equals the action or process of. Transformation equals the process of changing in shape or form. Through these examples, you can see how breaking down words helps in understanding their meanings more deeply. Here are some practical tips to incorporate structural analysis into your learning routine. 1. Keep a vocabulary journal. Whenever you encounter a new word, try to break it down into its components and guess its meaning before looking it up. 2. Use flashcards. Create flashcards that not only include the word and its definition but also its root, prefixes, and suffixes. 3. Read actively. When reading, pause to analyze unfamiliar words. Try to deduce their meanings from their structure and the context. We hope this video has shed some light on the power of structural analysis in learning English. By understanding the building blocks of words, you can significantly enhance your vocabulary, reading comprehension, and overall language proficiency. Remember, language learning is a journey, and every new strategy you employ can accelerate your progress. Happy learning, and see you in our next video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe if you found this video helpful. Your support motivates us to create more content like this. Happy learning, and see you next time.